be a 10% reduction in capacity at 40 of our locations.
We're not going to wait for a safety problem to truly manifest itself when the early indicators are telling us we can take action today to prevent, things from deteriorating.
New fallout tonight from what is now the longest government shutdown in U.S. history. The Federal Aviation Administration announcing a plan to begin cutting flights. Good evening, I'm Amma Dates.
And I'm Dan Ashley. Thanks for joining us. We are into day 36 now of the government shutdown, and the impacts will soon be felt even more widely.
Already, 1.4 million federal workers are now into week 6 without pay. That is having an impact on air travel with increased delays and ground stops.
And now the FAA says it will reduce air traffic by thousands of flights per day. The restrictions will go into effect Friday morning, with a list of affected airports released tomorrow.
ABC 7 News South Bay reporter Dustin Dorsey explains why it's happening and the impact on our big 3 Bay Area airports.
In an unprecedented move by the FAA, somewhere between 35 and 4,500 flights may be cut starting Friday if there's no resolution to the government shutdown. The joint decision by the Department of Transportation and Federal Aviation Administration was made in the interest of safety. Dozens of major airports across the country will reduce daily flight capacity by 10%. FAA Administrator Brian Bedford said in a news conference Wednesday he's never seen this happen before. The administration is operating 2,000 air traffic controllers short, and the reduction will help relieve the pressure on those who have been working without pay during the shutdown.
I want to applaud the controllers who continue to come to work on a daily basis, keeping our system safe. But I also want to recognize the fact that the data is telling us we need to do more, and we are going to do more.
The announcement comes just days before holiday travel for many across the country, including Washington resident Jeannie Colvin, who has a flight to Mexico scheduled on Saturday out of Portland.
Yeah, I think I'm more concerned, though, that people aren't getting paid. So if we had to skip our flight, because of the shutdowns, that would be minimal compared to what other people are going through.
In total, 40 airports will see service cut with the goal of relieving the pressure on controllers. A San Jose International Airport spokesperson tells us they have not heard of any plans to reduce flights locally.
We have not encountered any disruptions or any delays or cancellations. So operations at SJC are continuing without disruption or impact.
The list of the 40 airports that may be impacted by the shutdown will be announced on Thursday. At San Jose International Airport, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.